Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
In a time of technology and electronics, people still love creating with their hands. That's why we created the Airwood drone. It's an easy-to-assemble wooden drone that brings the joy of building an ancient Chinese craftsmanship to all ages. An exceptionally performing drone that's easy to build, fly, and fix. No overpriced plastic here. The Airwood drone features a laser-cut frame made completely of high-quality linden wood, coupled with ready-to-fly electronic components. It's easy to assemble, has modular pieces that you can put together without any tools, and everything you need is right in the box. Its environmentally friendly wooden design is lightweight yet durable, and it even features customizable designs and add-on modules that allow you to personalize your drone just for you. It's a simple, easy-to-use platform that is not only a joy to build, but also fly anywhere. Super handy features like the latest 6-axis flight control system, hover lock, 1-key return, and the small, lightweight airframe make indoor and outdoor flying a breeze. Airwood goes together with your hands and a little creativity. because we want everyone of all ages to have an unforgettable time building, flying, and creating with drones. So go get building and let's see what you create.
A new generation of a portable, phone-operated drone is coming. Drone technology doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Ever since I was a child, I've been full of curiosity. I often dreamt of flying. Now, LevTop makes this dream possible. The LevTop is high-tech with a solid build quality. We install the CMOS technology used in digital cameras, meaning your pictures and videos will be sharper and more stunning than any other drones. But most important, its design is unique. Our team worked on each detail to get a perfect, well-balanced result between function and portability. Easily foldable, you can bring the LevTop anywhere you want by naturally carrying it at your waist. Forget complicated preparations. As soon as you're ready to fly, it'll take you only one click to take off. Using our motion control technology via your mobile, you can drive the flight path by simply tilting your phone. Just move on the right or on the left. The LevTop is also very easy to use. Preset the LevTop to GPS and vision position to keep you in the frame. With its intelligent flight system, enjoy full freedom of movement, while LevTop captures the perfect shot, following and tracking your actions automatically. With LevTop, you're free from the control stick. You can take a picture whenever you feel like it. Once you got your shot, you can edit it on your smartphone and share your own aerial footage to YouTube or Facebook instantly. With our new precision positioning technology, in one click your drone returns exactly where it took off. We're committed to making LevTop the portable, affordable, and fun drone you finally deserve. Thanks for watching.
Say hello to the Gladius, a smart, submersible drone built for filming, exploring, and observing the underwater world. A portable and user-friendly device, you'll be amazed by the sea life you can find just below the waterline. Impress your friends with the ultra-high-definition 4K camera and stunning 12-megapixel photos with dual dimmable LED lights that cover 135 degrees. Fly around the coral reef with ease, utilizing Gladius's incredible stabilizing technology. Using the simple game-like controller, navigate comfortably with the 2 joysticks and capture photo and video with the push of a button. Explore places you've never been, hop on a boat with some friends, and search the deep with dives down to 100 meters. See something in the distance? Go check it out! The towable floating buoy has a far-reaching 100-meter safe operating range. Gladius comes with 2 kinds of buoyancy weight modules for both freshwater and seawater. Select the proper weight module for any type of adventure. Enjoy your day at the beach. With 2 built-in batteries, you will have plenty of time to see beautiful seascapes, staying submerged for up to 3.5 hours on one charge. Whether you are a scuba diver, underwater photographer, fisherman, or explorer, the Gladius is an excellent tool for you. Capture your deepwater adventure everywhere. Welcome to the underwater world.
Traveling is not about the destination. Embrace the journey. preserve this moment. But with what? Handwriting? Cameras? Choose wisely. We are the directors of our lives, seeking the most beautiful environments and spotting the perfect angle to experience your grandest adventures. All of this is possible with the Xeno. Smart and portable, no matter where you go, digitally capture your own motion pictures wherever you wish. It's your cameraman. Using image tracking, it follows and records at leisure. Capture the fondest of memories wherever you go. With a 3-axis gimbal for stable images, multi-angle aerial photography for recording, ability to record 4K videos, and attention to every detail brings lively color and vivid images to your photography. Your gain is far more than what you can see. Equipped with f2.2 aperture and wide-angle lens, discover the fun in photography. Ultra HD 4K captures more than you can imagine. Focus distance is from 2.5 meters to infinity, making aerial lens comparable to filming quality. If you don't go out, you will never know how big the world is. Bring Xeno, 1,000-meter transmission distance with 23 minutes flight time. Get a wider view of the world. With a flying speed of 8 meters per second, flying does not stop here. What is the true meaning of the word convenience? Take off, land, and return at the touch of a button. Every location precisely calculated. The Xeno's stable hover and easy flight. Everything begins, proceeds, and ends in simplicity. The world is a big place, but not too much for the Xeno. Excellent panoramic features. Let aerial photography be full of joy. Line fly mode. The aircraft flies in a straight line at a specified angle, precise and elegant, like a meteor in the sky. Waypoint mode. Create missions and draw routes to your liking. The Xeno will fly exactly as you command, simply and efficiently. When we design the Xeno, we ask ourselves, why fly according to custom and trend? More ingenious design. Headless mode. You only need to specify a flight direction before taking off. Enjoy the aerial photography and experience the fun of flying. Break limits associated with traditional aerial photography, whether you are surfing, hiking, running, or going on a road trip. Bring Xeno and film your journey like it is a movie. We look to the skies and horizons, a new dimension and era right at your fingertips, places no longer out of reach. Xeno, reshaping aerial photography by redefining convenience and functionality. We fly with your dreams.
Flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.